Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Maximize. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix Instagram notes not showing. Open the Instagram app on your cell phone. Now tap on the profile on the bottom right. Now go to the settings. Now go to privacy. Tap on activity status. Now turn on the activity status. If the notes are still not showing, you need to check in your Play Store if your app is up to date. Go to the App Store and update your app. Now you need to go into the settings again and tap on Help and report a problem. You need to write down your problem in detail. And there you go. This will probably solve your problem and fix your Instagram notes not showing. Easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.